Want to know the secrets of successful affiliate marketing? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're unpacking 10 strategies that have proven to be effective in the world of affiliate marketing. Whether you're a greenhorn in the field or already on the path to becoming a seasoned affiliate marketer, these strategies will help you maximize your profits and build a thriving online business. First off, strategy 1. Choose the right niche. This is crucial. You need to find a niche you're passionate about, one that also has a high demand for affiliate products. Next, strategy 2. Build a strong personal brand. Remember, people prefer to buy from those they know, like, and trust. So focus on fostering relationships with your audience. This is the key to driving sales. Strategy 3. Create valuable content. This could be through blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media. The aim is to provide content that is valuable to your audience. This way, you attract and retain a loyal following. Strategy 4. Don't just promote, recommend. Your recommendations should be genuine. Only promote products that you truly believe in. Moving on to strategy 5. Utilize multiple traffic sources. By diversifying your traffic sources, you'll reach a wider audience and increase your chances of success. Strategy 6. Test and optimize. It's important to keep track of your results. You should be continuously testing and optimizing your campaigns to improve your return on investment. Strategy 7. Build an email list. This allows you to market to your audience over time, thereby increasing your chances of making sales. Strategy 8. Leverage social proof. Testimonials, reviews, and case studies can help build trust and credibility with your audience, leading to more sales. Strategy 9. Stay updated on industry trends. The affiliate marketing landscape is always evolving, so it's crucial to stay informed and adapt to changes to stay ahead of the curve. Finally, strategy 10. Stay consistent and patient. Success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. Be consistent with your efforts and patient as you build your business. In summary, the 10 strategies for successful affiliate marketing are choosing the right niche, building a strong personal brand, creating valuable content, giving genuine recommendations, utilizing multiple traffic sources, testing and optimizing, building an email list, leveraging social proof, staying updated on industry trends, and being consistent and patient. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep those strategies in mind and dominate the affiliate marketing game.